This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use keyframes in VN. Keyframes are essential tools for bringing your videos to life, allowing you to animate elements like text, stickers, or even entire video clips. They work by setting specific points in time where an element's properties, such as its position, scale, or rotation, are defined. VN then smoothly transitions between these defined points, creating fluid and engaging motion within your project. Adding your first keyframe in VN is straightforward. Begin by selecting the video clip or overlay element you wish to animate directly on your timeline. Once selected, you will see a small diamond-shaped icon, which is your keyframe button. Tap this icon to place your initial keyframe. At this point, you can adjust the element's starting properties, such as its position on the screen, its overall size, or its rotation angle. To create animation, simply move your playhead to a different point in time on your timeline. Now, make another adjustment to your element's properties, like moving it across the screen or changing its size. VN will automatically add a second keyframe and generate a smooth, interpolated movement between your first and second keyframes. This process allows for seamless and professional-looking animations with just a few taps. For more advanced animations, don't hesitate to use multiple keyframes. You can add many keyframes along your timeline to create intricate motion paths or to change properties several times within a single clip. Experiment with the spacing between your keyframes to control the speed of your animation. Closer keyframes mean faster movement. You can also combine keyframes with other features, like masks, to unlock even more creative possibilities in your video projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.